Hello everyone, this is Gary from Fantastic Fundas and we are doing current affairs for 12th May 2015. This is from polity section. Many of you might have seen this news. This is about Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kaveri and Mekadattu Dam. Now what is the controversy? What has happened that recently Karnataka, they proposed that they are going to construct two dam projects across Kaveri river near Mekadattu. It is in the Ramanagaram district. Now the project is expected to help states store 48,000 million cubic feet TMC 1000 million cubic feet of water. कर्नाटका दो डैम बनाएगा, उसके अंदर 48,000 ये ऐसे मिलियन क्यूबिक फीट है जो वो पानी इसके अंदर सेव कर लेगा. अब इन नवंबर 2014 स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इनवाइटेड ग्लोबल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉर द सेम. Now it is envisaged to ensure adequate drinking water supply to Bangalore and recharge. अब इसका फायदा क्या होगा? बैंगलोर को पानी जाएगा. In March 2015 they even allocated budget for this. Now what are the Tamil Nadu's objections to this? They say that Karnataka is trying to alter the course of flow of the river by constructing two reservoirs in it. ठीक है जी, वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि रिवर जैसे फ्लो कर रहा था वो अब उसका रास्ता बदल रहे हैं और इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, तमिलनाडु को पानी वो इतना जा नहीं पाएगा. तो तमिलनाडु ऑल्सो सेज दैट कि जो प्रोजेक्ट है इट इज द वायलेशन ऑफ फाइनल वर्ड ऑफ कावेरी वाटर डिस्प्यूट ट्रिब्यूनल. तो कर्नाटका क्या भी जो कावेरी वाटर डिस्प्यूट ट्रिब्यूनल ने कहा था, अवार्ड दिया था, उसकी वायलेशन भी है. कर्नाटका ने क्या रिस्पॉन्स दिया? हम तो जी वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट द डैम, जो मर्जी हो जाए. And they say as per the Kaveri Water Dispute Tribunal, we were supposed to give Tamil Nadu 192 TMC cubic feet as per the order, and we will do that. And if we are able to do that, then whatever we do is right. And so that is why we will go ahead with Mekadattu hydroelectric project. This is important for geography student. This can come as a question in preliminary exam also. Now here is it. Here you can say this is Karnataka. Here is the location of Mekadattu and Tamil Nadu. You should try to make a map of India. See, it is, if you can make that map, your paper will look good. You just have to do this simply. Draw Gujarat and then just small India, move up, go to this point and then this, and this is Calcutta, and you just move the curves like this, the way I am doing this. If you want to learn how to make the map of India, this is a very simple map of India, not accurate at all. You can leave this part and you can even leave this part. You just draw the line. So that's it. So something like that, a rough map. Many of you can make much better than this, but this will give you good marks. And then you point out Mekadattu on that. That will give you good score in mains. So why do you keep arguing, or why do these states keep arguing? Why was Kaveri Water Dispute Tribunal order a waste? Basically, if you see the 498 kilometer river, this Kaveri river, it has huge basin in Tamil Nadu and in Karnataka, but the basin is bigger in Tamil Nadu. But Tamil Nadu is a lower riparian and Karnataka is an upper riparian state. That means water comes from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu. So what happened in 1880s, Madras presidency opposed the plan of then Mysore. Mysore is of course in Karnataka, that to revive irrigation project in its territory with the river. Karnataka believes that the old agreement was drafted in favor of then Madras presidency. So in its interim order, Karnataka declared Karnataka to release 205 TMC each year to Tamil Nadu. कर्नाटका को इतना पानी उसको छोड़ना ही छोड़ना था, ऐसा अनाउंस हो गया. हालांकि कर्नाटका को लगता है कि हिस्टोरिकली जब मेड्रॉस प्रेसिडेंसी का पुराने समय में मैसूर के साथ एग्रीमेंट हुआ था, वो मेड्रॉस की फेवर में था. तो फाइनल वेडिक्ट 2007 में आ गया था इसका. उसके अंदर उन्होंने क्या अनाउंस किया था कि हम कैसे कैसे सबको पानी जाएगा. 419 TMC तमिलनाडु, 270 कर्नाटका, 30 केरला, पौंडीचेरी. You don't have to remember these numbers, but you can always write something like you can always say in paper when it comes in means like 400, approximately 400, approximately 300, something like that, and 30 and 7 to Pondicherry. And you must remember there are two other states also involved who got this water, and they are Kerala and Pondicherry. So however the tribunal's order has been met, obviously there are reviews and petitions always happening, and dispute is alive, and you know it is sometimes for political reasons also. So that is the news on this, and if you like the channel, please subscribe to us and please share this video on various social media. That's all. Thank you for watching.